Hello, Fred David with you again, co-author of your strategic management textbook. Thank you for joining with me for about 2 minutes as we talk about Chapter 8. Chapter 8, as you see, focuses on finance and accounting issues, most important in implementing strategies, whereas Chapter 7 focused on the management and marketing issues. So in Chapter 8, we're going to look at corporate valuation, EPS/EBIT analysis, projected financial statements, because it's going to be important in a case presentation or case analysis to reassure the audience that whatever strategies or recommendations you come up with, that they're going to be financially doable. And what would be the expected impact on the financial statements, income statement, balance sheet, if the company will go forward with the strategic plan that you're recommending? That's what we're going to be covering here in Chapter 8. So it's a vitally important chapter. And we're going to look at the EPS/EBIT analysis to determine what would be the best means to raise the amount of capital needed. Let's say you end up, your strategies, recommendations end up estimated to cost $500 million. Then should you use all debt to raise that $500 million, all stock or equity? Or let's say a 50-50 or 70-30 combination. This chapter will get into those issues. This chapter gets into corporate valuation. I mean, how much is your business worth? Or if you're going to be acquiring another business or a segment of another business, how much is that business worth? 300 million, 800 million. This chapter gets into key finance and accounting issues related to implementing strategies. So it's a really important chapter. The Excel-based strategic planning template is going to really help you out with these financial tools, as it would with the earlier chapter six tools. So focus in on Chapter 8. You can do it. It's a chapter that's vitally important, and to reassure your audience, your professor, that whatever strategic planning you're recommending is financially doable and will reap the rewards that you anticipate. Thank you for joining in. We'll see you later in another chapter.